Welcome back to my channel. This is what we're doing today. We're going to make our own face mask. You don't need needles, no sewing machine, no scissors. Just come as you are. What we need is just scarf and rubber band. This will protect us if you don't have a regular face mask, or maybe the one that you have, you want to preserve it, because finding those things now is just like a gold. Face mask, hand sanitizer, gloves. So if you have some, you just want to keep it. And this one, you can just come home and just wash it each time that you use it. And if you don't have to wash it. It's yours anyway, right? And let us be friends on social media at Runke Beauty, Pinterest, Instagram. I want to welcome our new subscribers. I want to say thank you. Welcome to the family, and to all our subscribers. Thanks for your continued support. And this is what we're going to need right there. Check your closet. Bring those scarves out. I know, hopefully you can get rubber band in the store, I think. So you're going to need a rubber band, and we're going to need scarf. And what I did as the beginning, I choose those one that I'm going to use, so that way, because some are big, some are small, so you will know which one. And I'm going to do the little one for the kids. If you have kids that you want them to practice, play with it. So that would be, I'm going to show us how to do that. So we're just going to fold the scarf, the first one to the middle, the second one to the middle, just like so. And you're going to just fold it. So it's three folding, F, and on top of each other. And after that, on top of the two fold, not in each other. And you just put a rubber band just like that. And then the next step, we're going to fold it again just like that. And then at the end, you're going to put it, crisscross it inside of each other, so that way you know that it's secured, it's not going to come out. Then you just take the rubber band just like so, and you're going to put it on your nose just like that. Make sure it's not too tight, you'll be able to breathe, because you don't want to choke yourself. And this is it. This you can reuse, you can come home, wash it. I mean, if you don't want to wash it, it's yours. So this will help us out there. If somebody sneeze, cough, you have something to safeguard and things have changed. So we have to really, really be careful, and washing and sanitizer. So this is the second one that I'm going to show. So if you have varieties of scarf, hey, make it. So we're going to fold it, the same thing. We're just going to fold it to the F, fold the second one to the F, and then we're going to put it to the third foot, just like that. And we're going to get the rubber band. We're going to put the rubber band, and we'll put the rubber band, and we're going to fold it just like that. And we're going to crisscross it just like so. So make sure you put it inside each other, so that way it's not going to be flying away, fly, baby fly. And you see that one doesn't want to cooperate, huh? So after that, you just take the rubber band as usual. I mean, as like I said, the first one, and just put it on your head just like that. And then this is it. So make sure you be able to talk and breathe. That's the most important thing. So this will help out there to avoid anything. Okay. So the next one that I'm going to do, this for the kids. This one is too small. I did not even try it on my face because it's too small. You just fold it. You fold it. You give them the rubber band to try. Let them try. Let them play with it. Or if you want to make it so that it's not going to be too big, if you want to make it for your kids. And I think the kids on younger than 2 years, I think it's not necessary, they say, but just make sure that we are safe out there. And this is it. It's the same thing, nothing changed. The difference is that this one is small, and this is it. It's really cute. So the last one that I'm going to show us, this is a long scarf. If you have a long scarf and you don't have the regular face mask, you can still use it. You just fold it just like that, and then we're going to fold it again because it's long. And this is about for 3/4 right there. And then what I did afterwards, I just fold it again because it's kind of too wide, because we need it to cover our nose, our mouth, and you just tie it. Make sure that it's not too tight, that you'll be able to breathe, you'll be able to talk. And this is it. So you'll be ready to go. Fashion show. We're making the fashion show right here. I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video. Please visit our my Etsy store. Check the link on the information box. And I will see you guys on the next video. Love you guys.